So in 2021, Nokia is continuing its trend of annually rebooting a classic feature phone lurking in the old nostalgia bin, and this year it's the turn of the Nokia 6310 from 2002. Now admittedly, the Nokia 6310 is a feature phone that most people have probably forgotten by now. Or at the very least, it certainly won't elicit as many happy ahs and oohs as the Nokia 3310 or that Matrix slidey phone. But 2 decades ago, it was still a decent phone in its own right, with its Bluetooth support and its seemingly never-ending battery life and a good bit of Snake 2 action, of course. Because to Snake 1, only complete saddos were still playing that in 2002. And anywho, the fresh new 2021 remaster of the Nokia 6310 is hitting select regions this summer with an asking price of just €40 or 50 quid. I'm hoping to bring you a full unboxing and hands-on review soon, but in the meantime, here's everything you need to know about the fresh new 2021 reboot of the Nokia 6310. And for more of the latest greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! Now first and foremost, the Nokia 6310 is designed for ease of use, so the phone is comfortable to grip and use one-handed, penis symbology completely intentional, while also proving compact enough to squeeze into pretty much any pocket or bag. Meanwhile, that durable polycarbonate shell should hopefully survive all kinds of drops, bangs and scrapes as well. You've got a choice of 3 different colours: dark green, yellow and black, and there's also a light blue model which will be hitting India. Like most Nokia feature phones, it's a basic display. You get a 2.8-inch curved QVGA screen with full colour support. No grayscale shenanigans here, it's the likes of Snake 2 and all of your apps should look nice and punchy. Speaking of which, the Nokia 6310 is running the Series 30 Plus OS just like all of the other recently rebooted Nokia feature phones, as demonstrated here on last year's Nokia 5310. As usual, you've got strong accessibility support on the 6310, with the option to have large fonts and icons on display, plus an app store as well to download fresh software if you do ever happen to get bored of Snake. You've got 16 megabytes of storage to fill on the Nokia 6310 2021, and the good news is you get plenty of apps pre-installed as well, including the likes of an FM radio, which you can use by plugging in a pair of wired headphones into that 3.5mm headphone jack. Or alternatively, if you want to hook up some wireless headphones or even a wireless headset, you do have Bluetooth 5.0 support on this bad boy. And yeah, if you do want to carry around a big music collection, the good news is you don't have just that 16 megabytes of space to play around with. You do have support for microSD memory cards of up to 32 gigs of size on the Nokia 6310. As for the performance, well, the Nokia 6310 is powered by the very catchily titled Unisoc 6531F. And that is backed up by a whopping 8 megabytes of RAM. I'm sure performance will be as slow and tawdry as you remember. Although thank Christ you don't have to rely on WAP anymore. But touch wood, we should once again be able to enjoy weeks of battery life between charges, just like with the original Nokia 6310, thanks to the 1150 mAh battery that is stuffed inside. Unfortunately, however, brace yourself for the bad news. When the Nokia 6310 does run out of juice, you'll have to power it back up using micro USB. Sorry, I always throw up in my mouth a little whenever I say that god-awful word. And to finish off the specs here on the Nokia 6310, you have a 0.3 megapixel camera slapped on the back with a flash that you can use as a torch, which is nice. So that, in a nutshell, is the fresh new Nokia 6310 2021 edition. So not quite as excited as the 3310 and of course the good old Matrix slidey phone, which you've had in previous years, but hopefully you should deliver weeks of battery life and strong accessibility features there with the larger buttons and the larger fonts and everything too. So as I say, hopefully a full unboxing and review of the Nokia 6310 2021 coming at you. So it'd be great to hear your thoughts in the meantime down in the comments below. And for more of the latest and greatest tech, please do subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers!